Need to replace the side shelf on your Blackstone 2177? Today we're swapping it for a brand new one. We'll walk it in clean technical diagrams to see the repair from angles that are hard to catch on camera. It's an easy job. About 15 minutes with a Phillips screwdriver. The shelf hardware threads in by hand. Let's get into it. Step 1. Pull the old shelf. But first, knobs off, tank valve closed, and everything cool. Then, we can work. Back out the 2-step bolts that lock the shelf to its brackets. Then lift the shelf up and off. The upper bolts just unhook. If a bracket is bent or cracked, it unbolts from the body too. 4 6x12 screws each. Step 2. Dress the new shelf. Thread the 4 shelf pegs through their washers and into the shelf. Then thread 2-step bolts into the upper holes. Those bolt heads are the hooks the brackets catch, so run everything down snug by hand. Step 3. Hang the shelf. Slide it down onto the brackets until the upper step bolts hook and hold. Then run the last 2-step bolts in to lock it. Fold it down and back up once. Smooth, no bind. Then push on the outer corner. Solid, no wiggle, and dead level. Before you call it done, run the checks. The shelf sits level, no sag at the outer edge. All the hardware is snug. Pegs, washers, and all 4-step bolts, and the brackets don't budge. Fold check, down and back up, smooth, locking solid in the up position. And remember the manual's limit, 10 pounds max on the shelf, and it gets hot near the body, so nothing that melts lives up there mid-cook. Pass all 4, and this repair is finished. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.